If I could summarize James, he has so many different facets to his personality. You know, sometimes it's very nice, sometimes it's very sullen, wants to be to himself. That kind of behavior goes in one ear and out the other. You don't want to think about it anymore. He just pretty much likes to be by himself, I guess. His reason for changing his mind. I mean, it went to a lot of surgeries, all kinds of stuff. What was the reason?
Change his mind about what?
About having a family. And that's what a bunch of kids. One would have sufficed.
Right.
But he just, oh yeah, I want all these kids. Any one of them until I was able to have children. Then he didn't like that's when the headaches started. And the toothaches. And yeah.
Then it's not that I lost interest. It's not. It's just that nothing was happening. We was going through it for years, a couple of years, and I went into the drug thing. I was messing around with drugs, and I wasn't paying having kids no mind. I mean, that's very selfish of me, and I know it probably hurt it really bad, but you know, drugs and I felt that I did all that I could do to have kids, and it wasn't working. You just see what's going on. But I got to talk to her. The bottom line is, I saw the hurt. I felt the hurt, so I really owe her this. But I ain't gonna talk to her till you leave, because I don't want her beating my ass in front of you. Because she got back up. I mean, he might be old, but he's on her side. I had to cut both. I done told him, hey, I'm gonna cut both of y'all. Me. She's entitled to say that. I respect her for saying it. As my mother would say, speak your mind and your ass will follow. Well, she used to say behind, but. Oh, boy. Anything else?
What do you think you've learned from this interview experience?
I learned I need to go talk to my wife. I think I really hurt her deeply, and I need to fix that. I do. I don't know if it's gonna start with me fixing me first, but I do need to talk to her. And I am exactly as she said. I don't know, I guess since I've always been alone all my life, even with her here, I had to be. I get by myself, and I don't like crowds. I don't like to be around crowds. I go out. I got to sit where I can see all the exits, and yeah, it's just the way I was, and it's still in me, and it's not only was that part of my street, but that was also part of my military training, because I was a marksman, so that was my job, to find out where everything was at, and yeah. But that's me in a nutshell. That's me in a nutshell. And you gave me food for thought.